how to turn off in-app mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it and then just click settings and privacy and scroll down until you find push notifications and this one. Now click this one here, the first one, in-app notifications, and here we'll find it, mentions and tags. Just click on it, one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.